Have you ever been so overwhelmed by a situation that you've been paralyzed because you haven't been able to take action to address the problem? Well, this is what happened to my client, Diane. Her home office was cluttered. The clutter was causing chaos. The chaos was creating a situation where she couldn't even figure out how to tackle it, so she couldn't make decisions. She was totally frustrated. On top of it, the chaos was making it difficult for her to find stuff. So that was only adding to the problem. And of course, there weren't systems in place, so that was compounding it. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky from the Organizing Zone, and this is the situation that we were addressing. I worked with Diane to tackle this problem and create a solution for her. And since she didn't know where to start, we started by figuring out how to tackle it. We divided the project into 3 phases. Number 1, we tackled the papers. Number 2, the supplies. And number 3, her desk. So when we worked on the papers, we went through the files. We decided what would stay paper, what would be digital. We assigned a file cabinet for active files, which was right near her home office, and a file cabinet for the archive, which was in the garage. So that really worked. The papers were under control. Then we moved on to the supplies. Diane loves to be creative. She's got lots of art supplies as well as office supplies. So the supplies, unfortunately, were all over the office. So we had to consolidate them all, create a spot where we could store all of the supplies, and then create a system so that she could go and pick the supplies she wanted for a specific project, have them in a tray, and that tray moved around her office with her until the project was done. And then the supplies were put away. So the supply issue was also then addressed completely. Then we moved on to the desk. She really needed a place where she could work effectively. And she needed to have reference books right at her fingertips. She needed to have some papers that were either tasks to be done or issues to be followed up on really close by. And of course, some small office supplies. So we went through and we reorganized everything. We moved things, removed things that didn't belong or that were just in the way. So she had the office that she needed and wanted. So at the end of this project, I said to her, well, how's it going? How do you like your new office? And she summed it up in 3 words. Life is good. So this is what a good life looked like for Diane. So is your home office good? Is it working for you? If not, let's talk. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky from the Organizing Zone. I'd be happy to brainstorm with you to figure out some better solutions. Please call me at 917-375-0631. I look forward to talking to you.